So hi everyone, this is Pavitra, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE. So in the last class we have discussed the multiplexer. The multiplexer is nothing but it is a digital circuit that allows the digital information from several sources to routed into the single output. That means many input to single output. So if we are giving many input means it will be compressed to the single output with the help of the selection line. So in the last class we have seen about the 4:1 multiplexer, right? 4:1 multiplexer. In the 4:1 multiplexer, we have seen the block diagram and then the truth table. And this is the equation we have derived from the last truth table. Y is equal to S1 bar, S0 bar, D0 plus S1 bar, S0, D1 plus S1, S0 bar, D2 plus S1, S0, D3. These are the functions we have derived in the last one. Now I'm going to draw a logical diagram, right? So, how many so we have seen the selection line is yes not and yes one. So I'm going to draw the selection line. So here see here it is a bar. So here it is a bar and also I'm using the one not gate to identify yes one yes bar yes one bar and then yes not yes not. Okay. So these are the input lines as S1 bar, S0, S0 bar. Okay. So first of all, so these are in a multiplication, so we have to use the AND gate, right? So S1 bar, S0 bar, D naught. So that is S1 bar, this is S1 bar, and this is S0 bar, and we have to use the data line. Okay, data line D naught. So these are the three things we have got it under the AND gate. So this is a S1 bar, S0 bar, D. So this is the first term we have derived here. We have taken from S1 bar, S0 bar, and another one data line D naught. So we are getting a three input as an for the NAND gate, and we have got the equations like this. And the next one is S1 bar. Where is S1 bar? Here is a S1 bar, and then it's S0 and then the data line into G1. So I'm putting a data line, new line, data line. So the three things have joined combined to form an AND gate. So this is a function S1 bar, S0 and D1. Okay, then next one is S1. So S1, next one is S0 bar and then D2. So I'm putting the value D2. So this is a function of S1, S0 bar and D2. Okay. See, we have completed this equation, this equation. Now this also, now we have only one thing. S1, S0 into D2. Okay. So S1, S0 and D2. Okay. So these are all entered with the AND gate. So S1, S0, D2. So this is a 4x1 multiplexer with the logical diagram. See these are the equations we have derived from the multiplexer. So S1 bar S not D, S1 bar S not D1, S1 S not bar D2, S1 S not D3. These are the four things that we have derived from the multiplexer. This type of multiplexer is called as a 4:1. Okay, how we are getting this one means see. If I want to get a 2 is 4. Our input is 2. That is a n. We are getting, so for getting this 4, we have to use two selection lines. We have to use two selection lines. This is a mux. The formula is 2 power n. 2 power n. So if I substitute the input value in the 2 means it will become 4. Right? If I want 4 means I have to I have to put the power of 2. So 2 is a selection line. This is how. If I using 2 power 3 means you have to put 3 selection lines. If I use 2 power 4 means you have to put 4 selection lines. Okay. The next step is so the next step is 8:1. As I said before, if you're putting 8 means your selection line should be 3. So how we are getting 3? 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So the selection line will be 3. Okay. This is how you have to identify the selection line. So we will put the block diagram. So this is a max. Okay. 2 power 3, 8. So we have to give 8 input lines. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to start with D naught. We have to start with D naught, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So if my output is 8 means what you have to do? You have to put 3 selection line. The selection line will be S0, S1 and S2. The output will be a single output. Already we know it is a many to 1. Okay, it is a many to 1. So my output will be Y. So according to this number only, we are selecting the three selection lines. Okay. I will explain you the data table column alone. The selection line will be S2, S1, S0. And the output is, we know very already 0. Okay. We have to write it the 8 inputs because we are using 8. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 100, 101, 110, then 1. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you don't know to write this one, you can use this 8421. This is the score. Okay, for 0, there is a no value, so 0, 0, 0. If it is 1 means, see here it is a 1, so 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1. 2 means 0, 1, 0. Like that you have to put the value. Okay, so this is selection line. So the output will be, as I said, if it is 0, 0 means it will select the D1. If it is 0, 0, 1 means it will select the D0. It will select D1, here D2, here D3, here D4, here D5, here D6, and here D7. So these are the logic diagram. So in the next class, we will see how to derive the function from this truth table and we can draw the logical diagram. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.